What's up, Internet? Just got a quick little unboxing for you. Today we are looking at the Sony WH-CH710N. Beautiful name. So this is the Sony wireless noise canceling stereo headphones. Quick specs on the back: 35 hours of play, 10 minutes charge, plays up to 60 minutes. Ambient sound control and noise canceling being probably the biggest feature on this. Let's take a look and unbox this sucker. There you go. Got very basic setup. There they are in there, and car charging cable and the hardwired cable. And I picked these up in the blue, as you can see there. They're very lightweight. Right off the bat, that's what I noticed, the big difference. These little plastic protecty things in there. Let's get rid of them. That is really all for now. NFC, on-off power button, and then your basic controls right there, and your noise canceling or ambient. I'm going to give these guys a charge up and we'll see how they sound. Be back. The sound quality, listening to several different genres of music, actually really good. Quite enjoyable. One thing I do notice about these headphones is that they are very, very lightweight, almost to the point where you can't really feel them on your head, other than the pressure that the slight pressure that you feel them like over your ears, which is actually a really nice feeling. I highly recommend them. Noise canceling works really well. The way I tested it was I basically went down to my furnace and stood beside it while I was on, turned the noise canceling off, and realized how much noise it was canceling when I turned it off. The low frequency humming sound basically disappears. So 100% highly recommend this set of headphones for the price that they are. Normally at $2.99 Canadian. I believe at the time of purchase of this video, they are $129 on Amazon. So great set of headphones, good quality, and yeah, highly recommend them. That's it for this review. Take care, and we'll see you soon.